Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best garage shelving that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the BiGDUG 2-pack of heavy-duty black 5-tier garage storage shelves. Homeware brand BiGDUG make a huge range of products, and garage shelving is just one of them. These heavy-duty garage shelves are ideal when you need to hold a lot of stuff and you can't stand the tab and slot assembly system. This pack of 2 units are made from steel that doesn't feel flimsy, that has been coated in a black, rust-resistant finish. I'm a big fan of the 8mm thick MDF shelf racks. They're rigid and sturdy, which is ideal for holding lots of stuff without bowing or bending. Rather than using the often fiddly tab and slot system, the BiGDUG shelves use a keyhole and peg system. They're just as strong and the pegs are less likely to deform during construction. Each shelf is rated to hold up to 150 kilograms and is 30 centimeters deep and 70 centimeters wide. The entire shelf unit is 150 centimeters tall. Like the G-rack system, you're not limited to a single shelf configuration. You can split each shelf into 2, so you could in effect make 4 separate shelving units. I like the versatility, and it makes this an affordable storage system. Moving on, at number 4, we have the G-rack 5-tier garage shed storage shelving units. G-rack are the experts in garage storage ideas and shelving solutions. Their 5-tier garage storage unit is a seriously handy rack for use in the garage, workshop, or anywhere where you need to stow stuff away. They've designed a sturdy powder-coated steel frame that holds 5 tiers of 5mm MDF shelves. It's not too taxing to put together, but only if you start at the bottom and work your way up. G-rack use the metal tab system for holding everything in place, so you don't need to mess around with bolts or screws. What I like about this garage shelving unit is you can split it into 2 if you so desire. Set up as the tall unit, it's 180 centimeters high, and as the lower unit, it's 90 centimeters high. Both units are 90 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters deep. The garage shelves themselves are made from 5mm thick moisture-resistant MDF. Each unit has a rated load capacity of 175 kg. I think this is one of the best shelving units around if you are looking for heavy-duty garage shelving on a budget. At number 3, we have the BiGDUG heavy-duty 3-bay garage shelving units. Storage specialists BiGDUG are the people you go to when you want the best heavy-duty shelving for your garage, workshop, or storeroom. They make everything from plastic tote boxes to workbenches, but the 3-bay garage shelving units they make are some of the best on the market right now. Solidly built from extruded steel alloy that has been coated with a blue weather-resistant powder coating, the frame is ideal for a damp environment. You can choose between stacking the shelving to its full height or making 2 workbench height units per bay. It's a handy and versatile system. Size-wise, each unit in its tall form measure 180 by 90 by 45 centimeters. They're deep enough to take reasonable size storage boxes, but not so big that they will fill up your whole shed. The shelving is made from 5mm MDF and is rated to hold up to 200 kilograms for each tier. The upright sections use a keyhole shape to take the connecting pieces. They hold everything together and make assembly rather straightforward, all without bolts or screws. At number 2, we have the Storage Affairs heavy-duty garage shelving. Based in Stratford-upon-Avon, it's no secret that Storage Affairs know a thing or two about the best garage shelving. Their frankly enormous garage shelf system is ideal for hiding away big bits and pieces in your workshop, garage, or shed. Making use of chipboard shelf decks rather than MDF, each one can hold heavier weights than you might first think. With a powder-coated steel frame, the whole garage storage system is rigid and reliable, and thankfully corrosion-resistant. The unit is 180 centimeters high, 90 centimeters wide and 45 centimeters deep. The 5 heavy-duty MDF shelves can be adjusted to suit your storage requirements. The garage shelves come with connectors so you can join units together for a sturdy storage solution. The MDF has been tested to hold a maximum evenly distributed load capacity of 265 kg. You can adjust the garage shelves wherever you need them because the connector clips are just 35 mm apart. I like that because garage shelves like these are often quite inflexible. There are no nuts and bolts to lose, thanks to the tab and slot system. And finally at number 1, we have the Rhino Racking 5-tier heavy-duty industrial storage shelves. With plenty of different garage storage racks on offer, Rhino Racking are a good choice for when you need to stow your gear away and save some space. Their 5-tier industrial storage shelves are just the thing you'll need to declutter your workspace and give yourself more room to breathe. The first thing to note about this shelving system is the materials used in the frame. Rather than powder coating or paint, Rhino Racking have opted for galvanized steel. Dipped in zinc to help avoid rust, it's an incredibly effective way to build solid shelving for damp workshops or sheds. At their full height, each shelf unit has dimensions of 180 by 120 by 40 centimeters, which is a good size for any workshop, shed, or garage. Another fixing-free set of shelves, the pieces simply slot together with a little tap of a mallet. There are plenty of tabs that line the upright sections, so you can adjust the shelf height to almost any height. And with 5 shelves to choose from, it's a very flexible system. Holding up to 200 kilograms per unit, you can also split them into 2 workbench height units if you want.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.